Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison video between my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy to the Louis Vuitton Keepall XS. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like this a lot, but today we do have a comparison type video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I have been wanting to compare these two bags for quite some time because I have had them for a while and I just haven't compared them. So we're gonna do that today. Now, I do have to preface the extra small in saying that the extra small Keepalls don't come around very often. I do think that they are a special edition, kind of limited edition size. The Keepall 25 is readily available on Louis Vuitton Men's. This is going to be a men's collection bag. The Keepall 25s are available. The Keepall extra smalls are going to be a little more difficult because, again, I don't think they come out with every collection. This one came out in the spring summer 2022 collection and it was under Virgil Abloh. So I do think that Pharrell will probably come out with a Keepall XS at some point. I do know that this bag in particular is a little bit hard to get your hands on, but I have been seeing a few pop up on resale websites. There's one on Fashion File that I'll link down below. There is one on StockX that I'll link. And then if I can find any other ones, I will link those as well. But just, of course, do your own research. Make sure that it's a seller or like a website that you're comfortable buying from. And then, of course, always get bags re-authenticated when you get them, just to make sure that everything is good to go. So let's get started. We're going to go over the Nano Speedy first. So this is the 2022 version. I always get this confused because the old Nano Speedy does not have a removable strap, but this one does. And I think it's either the 2021 or 2022. I think it's 2022. So this is the newest version of the Nano Speedy. Here is the front, here is the back, and here is the sides. And then the leather, the handles are already pre-treated, so you don't have to worry as much about getting water spots on this bag because the VUITTON is already pre-treated, so that is very nice. Of course, no feet on the bag, but it does have gold toned hardware. And then when you open it up, the zipper is very nice and buttery. It has a crossbody strap as well, and then on the inside it just looks like that. It's just brown on the inside. I do have a full unboxing video and a full review on this bag, so if you're wanting to see those separately, I will link those in the description for you so you can go watch them after this video. And then when it comes to the strap, it is pre-treated as well, so you don't have to worry about getting water spots on your crossbody strap either, which is great. And of course, the strap is removable and adjustable. And then when it comes to the dimensions on this bag, it is 6.3 inches in length. It is 3.9 inches in height and 3 inches in depth. So she's a little baby. She's a little baby nugget. She's the cutest thing. And when it comes to the strap drop minimum is 17.9 inches and then the max is 23.2 inches. This little charm that I have on the bag does not come with it. I got this from Etsy. And then this bag currently is $1,760 on the Louis Vuitton website. I don't know exactly how much I paid for this bag. Let me see, because I got this last year. Has it had a price increase? I don't think it's had a price increase. I hope not. Okay, no, it has not had a price increase. That's amazing. So I bought this April 10th, 2023. It was $1,760, and then with taxes and everything, it was $1,931. So this bag has not had a price increase. Thank God. So now we did the overview on this bag. Let's go to the overview on this bag. You can totally tell already this bag is going to be a bit bigger than the Nano Speedy, but they are similar enough. I still wanted to do this. So here is what the front looks like. And then here is the back. Here is the side of the bag. and then the other side. And then one thing to notice on this bag, two things. Number one, this one has silver hardware. This is the only bag in my entire collection that has silver hardware. Normally, I would not buy a bag that has silver because I definitely prefer gold over silver, but this bag is already so loud and colorful that like you don't even notice the hardware basically ever. And then it does have top handles as well, but they are much shorter than the Nano Speedy. So here are the top handles on this one, and then the little baby top handles on the Keepall. Again, no feet on the bag or anything like that. And then the other thing I wanted just to point out is that the D-rings and the zipper on the Keepall Extra Small is going to be huge. So the D-rings on the Nano Speedy are really tiny, and the D-rings on the Keepall are just huge. I don't know if that's because it's part of the men's collection, or I don't know if it's just part of this particular collection, but yeah, the D-rings and the zipper are massive. And then this one also comes with a crossbody strap. The crossbody strap for this bag is the same type of like material, the same pattern as the handle, if you can see that. And then it has this little bit, which I don't know if anybody likes this little shoulder pad situation. I know a lot of people have just taken theirs off, but I have kept mine on just in case. It doesn't bother me. I kind of wish it wasn't there, but I don't really care that much. When you open it up, it looks like this on the inside. It is a beautiful like cobalt blue on the inside. And then the dimensions for this bag, 8.5 inches in length. It is 4.75 inches in height, and it is 3.5 inches in depth. The strap is going to be at its shortest 2 inches, so like this is considered one strap, I guess, or like the drop. But yeah, the drop here is 2 inches, and then the strap drop on the actual crossbody strap is 22 inches. Now, when it comes to pricing on this bag, I genuinely have no idea what the original price was. I think Cassie Thorpe, because Cassie got this bag when it was first released, so she probably set the price, and I want to say it was like somewhere like 2,000, maybe 2,500, 2,300, but with this being a bag that you can no longer get just at Louis Vuitton, the pricing on this bag has definitely jumped up. So if you do find this bag on the resale market, on Fashionphile, on StockX, on The RealReal, it's probably going to be listed for around 3,000, if not more, because the bag is just really expensive because you can't buy it anymore. And also, this was Virgil Abloh's last collection with Louis Vuitton Men's before he passed away. So it is also kind of like a piece of history in a way. So if you are looking into this bag, if you are really wanting this bag, then I will just say be prepared to pay a premium price because you just can't buy this bag anymore, unfortunately. So we did the dimensions and pricing on both bags. Now let's go into the actual material. Like, I actually should have probably said this before in the overview of the bag, but I forgot. The Nano Speedy is canvas, so it is going to be the monogram canvas. It's not leather. You do have leather pieces on here, like from the Vachetta, but other than that, this is a monogram canvas piece. All Nano Speedies are like this, except for if they specify that they're not. Like, I know they have a vernis Nano Speedy. They probably have a leather one as well, but the typical regular Nano Speedy is going to be the monogram canvas. The Keepall Extra Small is absolutely 100% leather. It's like Torlon leather, and I believe this leather is only part of the men's collection. You can see that it's like embossed with the LV logo all around, and it kind of has this grainy feel to it as well. It does have some grain, and then the leather used for the handle, I have no clue what it is. No idea. I don't think that they make the Keepalls in canvas. Even now, like the Keepall 25, the Keepall 35 or whatever, I think they're all in some kind of leather. Correct me if I'm wrong, I could definitely be wrong, but I have not seen the Keepall in monogram canvas. You have to kind of weigh your options because this bag was definitely more expensive at launch, but it is a full leather bag. And then this one right here with taxes and everything was 1,900 and something, so like right at 2 grand. and it is half the size and it's canvas. So it kind of just depends on what you like more. Do you not mind that the Nano Speedy has very little leather on it, or are you somebody that much prefers to have a full leather bag? Now let's go over the ways to wear this bag. Like, is it more formal? Is it an everyday bag? Well, good news, both bags, in my opinion, are very, very much an everyday situation. I do think that both of these bags could be dressed up though. This one is pretty big, so if you were to carry this one out, I do think that it would be great. It would definitely be like a pop of color. It would be like a statement piece, but I do think that it would work for nighttime too. But this one right here, I definitely think this one will work for every single day. You can wear this with anything. You can wear this to go work out. You can wear this to go run errands. You can wear this to go get groceries. You can wear this to, I don't know, I guess you could wear it to work. It's not going to be a work bag by any means, but I guess if you don't carry a lot to your job, then this would be a cutie little fashion kind of work bag. You could wear this to an event. You could wear this literally anywhere. This is 1,000,000% the definition of a grab and go bag. Now, it's not going to fit an absolute insane amount of stuff, but this bag fits way more than you would ever think it does. Again, I will have my review on this bag linked in the description, and I think in my unboxing I even showed what fits in this bag, and it's actually kind of wild. This bag, with it being like a duffel bag shape, is pretty wide at the bottom, so you can fit way more in here than you would ever expect. And you can fit like bulky pieces too, like, you know, the Chanel hand cream, that will fit in here. Or fragrance, you can absolutely fit a full-size fragrance in this bag. I don't know why you would, but you can if you wanted to do that. So I've never had an issue fitting anything in this bag, and I use the Rosalie card holder, like not a slim card holder. Sometimes I do, I switch out, but right now I'm using the Rosalie coin case card holder thing, and it can get pretty chunky, so that fits in no problem. And then I can also fit like hand cream, AirPods, hand sanitizer, all that good stuff. You can also fit a mini pochette accessoire in here as well. If you're somebody that just loves to carry your mini pochette accessoire, then that can fit in here, but just know that if you do that, that will pretty much take up all of the space in the bag. And then when it comes to the Keepall XS, this bag will fit an absolute ton. It will fit pretty much anything. This is like a Mary Poppins bag. The Keepalls have the shape of a bowling bag, to where the Speedies have the shape of a duffel bag. So the shapes do kind of help depending on what you want to put in. The Keepall, you can fit longer pieces to where you can fit taller things into the Speedies. And again, I do think this bag is perfect for every day. Kind of depends on your style though. If you're somebody that's very like classic style, and if you don't want a lot of patterns or logos, the Keepalls in general are not going to be for you. I do think that mostly the Keepalls are going to be pretty vibrant. They're gonna have patterns on them. Not many are like super toned down and kind of neutral. This one is definitely not neutral, like literally at all. I love it though. I definitely think this is one of my most loud bags in my collection. It stands out a lot, and I get a lot of compliments on this bag when I wear it out. So if you're somebody that just does not like this kind of vibe, if it's too loud for you, then you just won't like this collection probably. And you might want to go with the Nano Speedy because it does have a lot more wearable kind of everyday styles. If you don't care about it being loud, if you don't care about it being green and blue, then this is also an everyday bag. 1,000,000%. Take this grocery shopping, take this to run errands, take this to the mall, take this wherever. This is absolutely going to be an everyday bag. It's very casual. Both bags are very casual, but this one does have the added benefit of being leather. So you don't have to worry about water stains on this bag at all compared to the Nano Speedy. Even though the Nano Speedy does have pre-treated vachetta, I do think you still have to be a little bit careful with water, because I do think that the vachetta still can get water spots if it's like heavily raining or something, but it won't be as bad as untreated vachetta. But yeah, this one, if it rains, just wipe it off. It's no big deal. And again, I do think that this one can make a very good night out bag as well. So if you wear this one during the day, wear it crossbody, very casual. But if you wear it at night, you have a cutie little top handle moment. and it will definitely be like the star of the show. It will definitely bring a lot of like intrigue to your outfit because it is so loud. I love both of these bags. I think it just depends on your style. I think it depends on what you like the most. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be my comparison between the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy and the Louis Vuitton Keepall XS. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Do you have either one of these bags? Would you want to get either one of these bags? Just leave me a comment down below because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!